Miss Apatani. Walks with grace, Daliñ, Niitre, Biise. Koñchi, Daka, Aemér, Hiilyañ, Yaji-Yalo, Darii, Chañchañ, Hiitér, Parda, Chikii, Ziro, Chikañ, Putu, Polyañ, Kagii Saniiñ Aju, Riinga-Riinga, Miss Apatani-Cover, Byo'da, Yaji-Yalo, Ka Aju Halyiñ, Ka Heñju Mi, Kagii Saniiñ Aju, Giitii Paje Do Mó, Biinii Heñju Mi, Giitii Paje Do Mó. Miss Apatani, Ziro Pagoda, Chañtuñ Jaku Byo, Ka Hela Jasi Ja, Helyañ-Heñda Hela Si, Lembo Sa Taré. She's the pride of Ziro, the valley star. Apatani culture, she's taking it far. Knows her roots, yeah, she's got the vibe. Sharing the wisdom of her ancient tribe. She's a dreamer, a leader with fire inside, inspiring hearts, taking us on a ride. A woman of substance, beauty, and grace. Miss Apatani shining bright in this space. She's the rhythm of life, the beat of the drum, a melody of hope where dreams come from. The wisdom of elders she holds in her hand, guiding the people, she takes a stand. Her kindness flows like a daily streams, a presence, a blessing, a life full of dreams. A creator, a nurturer, strong and divine. Miss Apatani, your light will always shine. Miss Apatani, Ziro Pagoda, Chañtuñ Jaku Byo, Ka Hela Jasi Ja, Helyañ-Heñda Hela Si, Lembo Sa Taré. She's the symbol of love, the power of earth, the story of resilience. From her birth, knows her heritage, she's keeping it real. Apatani pride, yeah, that's the deal. Log bridges, fields, and her ancestral ties. Miss Apatani, she's reaching the skies with a heart so big and a vision so clear. She's the woman we cherish, the one we revere. Hey, Ka Halyiñ Jasi, Henkani-mitare kapyoyado. Ka Inju Ka Aju, Momiani Pa, Barmi Pa, Ajin Pa, Gunukiji.